Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are well. Welcome to our English class. Students, today we will read lesson number 10 Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, which is a poem written by the poet Robert Frost. So let's read the poem. Whose woods these are, I think I know. The narrator of the poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, or the poet himself, stops by some woods on his way one evening. Okay, one evening, the poet, the narrator, stops in the woods of someone on a snowy evening and he starts thinking that who is the owner of the woods. ठीक है, ये इन वुड्स का ऑनर कौन है, मालिक कौन है. Whose woods these are, I think I know. So the narrator, the poet is saying that I know who is the owner of the woods. His house is in the village Dao. So the narrator is saying that he knows who is the owner of the house and where he lives. He is a bit relaxed. Now the narrator is relaxed that he is thinking that the owner of the woods lives in a village. Okay, the narrator thinks that the poet, the owner, जो मालक है वुड्स का, वो पास ही किसी विलेज में रहता है. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. Then the poet was very relaxed that the owner of the woods is living in nearby village, and at that moment he was not present there. The owner of the woods was not present that time when the narrator, the poet, was near the woods and watching the beauty of the woods. So therefore he can continue watching the natural beauty of his snow covered woods. So like to watch his woods fill up with snow. So here poet is saying, so as the owner of the woods is not present here, I can watch the beauty of the woods. My little horse must think it queer. Queer means strange. Now the poet was traveling with his horse. Okay, he was traveling on his horse. So when the poet stops near the woods to watch the beauty of the woods, that time he thought, my little horse must think it queer. So the narrator is saying that my little horse is maybe thinking, it seems to him very strange thing as I stopped near the woods. ठीक है, मेरे हॉर्स को ये अजीब लग रहा होगा. To stop without a farmhouse near. So what is strange? What is strange for the horse? The strange thing is that my owner, जो horse का owner है, that person, that poet has stopped near the woods without a farmhouse near. So the horse is observing that there is no farmhouse near. जहाँ पे आसपास कोई फार्म हाउस नहीं है जहाँ पे वो रह सके. बट द पोएट स्टॉप्स, सो इट सीम्स स्ट्रेंज टू द हॉर्स. Between the woods and frozen lake, and there are woods and frozen lake. Frozen lake मतलब जो लेक जम जाती है due to extreme cold. The darkest evening of the year, and that day, that evening was the darkest and coldest evening of the year. So poet was saying that my horse is feeling strange that I stopped here without a farmhouse near. There is no place to live here, to stay here, but I stopped here between the woods and frozen lake, and this is the darkest evening of the year, darkest and coldest evening of the year. He gives his horns bells a shake. Horns means leather, soft leather, which is used to put around the horse neck and his head. ठीक है, हॉर्स के हेड के ऊपर छोटी छोटी ऐसे लेदर की स्ट्राइप्स सी होती है ना, हेड के ऊपर भी और उसके गले में भी. दैट इज हॉर्न्स. एंड as the horse is feeling strange that why the poet stops in the woods, so the horse shakes his bells, जो उसके गले में बेल है उसको उसने शेक किया और उसकी hands को भी शेक किया to ask if there is some mistake. So why the horse has shaked his hands and bells? Because he want to ask his master that everything is all right or he has done any mistake. The only other sounds the sweep. Okay, so and the important thing is, or maybe there is any emergency. ठीक है, sounds the sweep मतलब any emergency. Now the horse is asking by shaking his bells to his master that he stops here. Is there any mistake or is there any emergency? Of easy wind and downy flake. Okay, flake होती हैं small कहते हैं the things which are very thin. ठीक है, स्मॉल और थिन लेयर ऑफ समथिंग, कोई भी चीज़ की बहुत पतली सी थिन सी स्मॉल सी लेयर. एंड डाउनी मीन्स लाइक डाउन. तो उसको लगा कि ये ईजी, जहाँ तो कोई इमरजेंसी है, जहाँ कोई गलती हुई है. ठीक है, सो और इस वजह से जहाँ फिर हवा थी और हवा के साथ जो वो थी स्नो थी वो गिर रही थी उसकी वजह से. द वुड्स आर लवली डार्क एंड डीप. सो हेयर द पोएट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द वुड्स, हाउ द वुड्स लुक लाइक. जो जंगल जहाँ पे वो ठहरा था, दैट इज़ वेरी लवली. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी डीप, घना एक जंगल था. एंड दैट वुड्स, that forest is very beautiful also, but I have promises to keep. But the poet is saying that he is unable to enjoy watching the beauty of the woods because he has to do many things. He promises to keep matlab he has number of responsibilities in his life which he has to fulfill, and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep. Here sleep means death. So here the poet is saying that he want to enjoy the beauty of the nature, but he can't stop here for long time because he has number of responsibilities and duties which he has to perform before his death. He has to reach his destination before his death. So students, basically here woods also we can say here the poet is saying about the woods like forest, jungle. उसने जंगल स्नोई इवनिंग एक सीन डिस्क्राइब किया है. बट इन नटशेल वी कैन से दैट woods may also suggest the distractions and temptations in the journey of our life. Okay, in our journey of our life, temptations mean desires. We have lot of desires and lot of distractions in our life. So there are number of beautiful things also in our life. So number of desires, हमारी wishes होती हैं. So sometime we are like focused only on those things, but the poet here want to tell us that we should not pay too much attention to only fulfill our desires. We should focus on our goal. मतलब हमें अपनी जो इच्छाएं हैं, जहाँ जो हमें मतलब लाइफ की जर्नी में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमें डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देती हैं. हम मतलब अट्रैक्शंस कुछ ऐसी होती हैं, उनकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होकर हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन हमारा क्या है, हमारा गोल क्या है, हम उसको भूल जाते हैं. वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट दैट. Okay, like now you are a student and what is your goal? Your goal is to be a good student and good human being and to acquire a knowledge. That is your goal. That is your goal, sorry. But if you will distract toward the other things, like if you start spending much of your time in watching TV and playing the video games and all the things which are not good for you. Okay, if you will start wasting your precious time on that instead of doing your studies and doing some good tasks, then that thing is not good. We should be focused towards our goal. ठीक है, हमें लाइफ की जर्नी में बहुत सारी अट्रैक्शन डिस्ट्रैक्शंस मिलती हैं, बट उनकी तरफ फोकस ना करके हमें अपने गोल की तरफ फोकस रहना चाहिए. So students, I hope all of you liked this poem. Thank you very much and have a nice day.